All right, Tesla fam, let's talk about why Tesla chose Malaysia over Indonesia for its investment. First, policy clarity plays a huge role. Malaysia has had some challenges with its national automotive policy, which has been criticized for not offering the clear, consistent incentives that automakers, like Tesla, might prefer. Meanwhile, countries like Indonesia have worked hard to provide incentives that attract foreign investment, especially in the EV sector 36 source. Second, natural resources matter, but not just in the way we might think. While Indonesia is rich in critical materials like nickel and cobalt, which are essential for EV battery production, Tesla likely saw other strategic advantages in Malaysia. The Malaysian market may not have the same resource advantages, but it offers a strong infrastructure and a developed consumer base, making it an appealing location for premium electric vehicles. 37 source. Lastly, market size is a factor. Indonesia is the larger market, but Malaysia has a sophisticated automotive industry and a well-established market for high-end electric vehicles. Tesla might have seen more immediate alignment with their goals in Malaysia, even if the market is smaller 36 source. So, while Indonesia's resources were tempting, Tesla's choice to invest in Malaysia reflects a blend of policy, infrastructure, and market strategy that aligns with their vision. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.